Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the scanner is powered, connected, and recognized. Drivers matter for reliability. Once done, open Start and type Windows Scan to launch the app. This gives you the official interface. Select your device from the top dropdown and pick a scan profile like color or PDF so output matches your need. Make sure to pick destination folder early. It saves time later. These steps get you into the app and ready to adjust scan parameters. Once the app is open, choose the correct source, flatbed for photos, feeder for multi-page documents, because source affects alignment and speed. Then set page size and color mode. Pick resolution intentionally. 300 dpi is ideal for readable text, 600 dpi for detailed images. Use the preview button to crop, rotate, and tweak brightness or contrast so the final file needs minimal editing. After preview adjustments, confirm you finish by saving the scan file in your chosen folder and using clear file names so retrieval is simple. Review every page for alignment, legibility, and color. If a page is skewed or too dark, rescan with adjusted settings. If scans fail or the device isn't detected, confirm drivers and cables, disable firewall blocks temporarily, and run Windows Troubleshooter to diagnose common issues. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall the scanner driver. It often resolves detection and quality problems without more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.